In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a comment on Reddit. Whether you're new to Reddit or just haven't interacted much with comments before, replying is one of the easiest and most important ways to join conversations on the platform. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account in your browser or in the Reddit app. You can browse Reddit without an account, but you'll need to be signed in to actually reply to comments. Once you're logged in, navigate to the post where the conversation you're interested in is happening. This might be a post you created or something you found while scrolling through your feed or searching a subreddit. Now, scroll down to the comments section of that post. You'll see comments listed under the post, often with nested replies underneath some of them. Find the specific comment you want to respond to. It could be someone asking a question, sharing an opinion, or replying directly to you. When you've located that comment, move your mouse or tap directly on the comment to focus on it. On most devices, you don't literally need to open the comment, but it helps to visually center it so you're sure you're replying to the right person in the right thread. Pay attention to the indentation or layout. Comments that are slightly indented are replies to the one above them, and this structure keeps conversations organized. Underneath the comment, you'll see a small set of options, such as upvote and downvote arrows, a share button, and importantly, a reply option. Click or tap on the reply button that appears directly beneath that specific comment. This is crucial, because replying in the wrong place can send your message to the main post instead of the person you meant to respond to. After you click reply, a text box will appear where you can type your answer or reaction. Take a moment to write clearly and respectfully, since Reddit is a community-driven platform and people appreciate thoughtful responses. When you're happy with what you've written, click the button to post your reply. Your message will now appear directly underneath that original comment as part of the conversation thread, and that's all there is to it. By clicking on the comment you care about and then hitting reply, you can easily join discussions and make your voice heard on Reddit.